Adding a emergency phone number is very important. In this video, I'll tell you how you can add a emergency contact in any Android phone, whether it's a Samsung or any other phone. So look for the settings and then look for a search icon where you can type and search. Once you have find it, click on that and type emergency. You will find safety and emergency, and there you will find emergency SOS and emergency contact. You just need to click on that, and then again you need to click on emergency contact, and you can turn on show on the lock screen. And once you click on add emergency contact, you can simply select the contact which you want to add, and that will be shown on the lock screen. So this is how you can add the emergency contact in your Android phone. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.